Join us for another episode of GR8 TECH Pole Position Performance, your guide to fueling your iGaming platform with our unified back-office software. Let's jump into today's topic and solve a new iGaming challenge with the UBO.
Hi Yura, I'd like to come to the GR8 TECH garage to get some upgrades for my platform.
Hi, tell me more.
We've been getting offers from game providers to partner up. Can UBO support it somehow?
Fantastic news! UBO has a cool feature that lets you promote games from different providers. Come by and we'll set it up for you.
That sounds like exactly what we need. I'm on my way.
If you've been looking to enhance your iGaming product appeal, you came to the right place. Meet Unified Backoffice, a tool that not only simplifies customization, but also opens up a door to effective partnerships with casino providers. UBO features allow to foster long-term collaboration through the promotions of casino game providers, simplifying complex negotiations. With this feature in your pocket, you can negotiate better terms, like reducing royalties for higher turnovers, enhancing your position as an operator. The outcome? Reliable partnerships and boost of your revenue, all through a seamless process provided by UBO without adding to your workload. We can create a tournament in UBO with the goal of enhancing game visibility and engagement. One way to do it is by pinning games in the top category. Navigate to the Casino tab. Under Category Settings, locate the top category. Select the games you wish to feature and pin it from the Games menu. This ensures the game stays at the forefront, increasing visibility and players' engagement. Another option is to promote the provider to a top position. Go to Lobby Settings and select a collection for providers. In the provider list, simply drag and drop the desired provider to the top. This quick adjustment can hugely impact your negotiations, securing the desired discount. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the features and capabilities of a GR8 TECH's unified back-office. We've had a blast showing you how this powerful tool can streamline your tasks and give your iGaming business the edge it needs to succeed. But there's still so much more to explore, so stay tuned for more episodes, where we'll dive deeper into GR8 TECH's products and solutions to help maximize your business potential. Hey, what's up? How's the feedback for games promotions?
Hello, absolutely. Our partnerships with game providers have reached new heights, all thanks to this fantastic feature.
That's a wonderful feedback. We are thrilled we could assist you in that area. Meanwhile, don't forget there's always a room to improve your business even further. Feel free to book a demo with a GR8 TECH anytime and explore how our cutting-edge iGaming solution can transform your operations. We're excited to see the incredible achievement you are going to unlock. Thank you for being a part of a GR8 TECH Pole Position Performance. Together, we've unlocked new strategies for optimizing your iGaming platform. Remember, path to peak performance is a journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos to keep your business in the fast lane. Remember, with the GR8 TECH tools, you're always in the lead, because high performance runs in our blood.